Hi guys, welcome to the Städler Made lunch session. This is the place where me, Cedric and Sanna are gonna make a delicious meal for the whole Städler Made team. Let's go! Today we're gonna make a beautiful ribeye steak with a delicious chimichurri smoky hot sauce. Okay, let's get it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I woke up last night and I had a nightmare. A cow chasing me down the street because I messed up the steak. I never want to make this mistake in real life, especially not with you watching me. So I made some rules for myself to achieve the perfect steak.
Number 1, buy quality, high quality steak. Buy big steak, get to room temperature, pepper dry, season, bake on high heat, let it rest.
And cut against the grain. This is also a very important step in the process. There's a lot of moisture on the outside. When you put the steak on the hot surface, you don't want that energy to go into vaporizing moisture. You want it to go into browning the steak and getting it done. Oh no, well done. No, not medium rare. Seasoning, a little bit of pepper and a lot of salt.
Bada bing, bada boom.
And the salt and the pepper is not only flavor, it's also gonna really help create a nice crust. Next step, extra wood on the fire so you can easily spike up the heat and get that grill ring boiling hot. So I'm gonna create a hot side. That's why I'm gonna get the crust. So you get the color and the crust here, then we move it to the cooler side, and there you can continue cooking it slowly, basting it with a little bit of butter. It's a bit windy. But we like a challenge. Lightly coat the grill ring with some oil. I like to do it like this, so don't burn my hands. Here we go. Whoppa! You hear that? Oh, burn my face up. Sizzle! This is the hardest part for me because I wanna look, but I gotta wait. I would say at least a minute. In a normal pan at home, probably 2 minutes, but this is a bit hotter than your pan at home. Brush on a bit of butter. Basting, we're gonna baste the steaks. Ooh, hoo, hoo. We cook the steaks on the hot side. Now they're all done. They got a beautiful crust, they got a beautiful color, and color is taste. What I've done, I moved to the other side where it's still warm, but now we're slowly cooking the inside. So this is the part where you're gonna determine if it's gonna be rare, medium rare, well done, etc, etc. Outside of the steaks look really beautiful, but because of that incredible heat of the fire, the juices inside of the meat went up, down, left, right, and they're all mixed up. So if you're gonna cut into a steak now, you're gonna lose those juices. So that's why you need to let your meat rest. So we're gonna cover them up. Next up, chimichurri sauce. So very simple, we're gonna throw everything on the coals. We have a nice layer of hot coals. Ow, Jesus! And that's perfect for our sauce. We need to cut up a little bit of bread. Look at this beautiful tomato. You don't need any foil or nothing, just throw it in the fire. The beautiful thing is that the skin just rolls off. And if you cook like this, the fire is not just a heat source, it's almost like an extra ingredient. Really giving a lot of flavor to what you're cooking. Look at those colors. And it smells so good, it's crazy. Yes, ready? Here we go. We got our stuff from the fire and now we chop everything up. Okay, look at that. This is so beautiful. Our red chimichurri sauce straight from the flames. Paprika. I'm Dutch, so excuse me if I'm not saying it the right way. Never be shy with olive oil. Woo! That's spicy. Sauce is done. Bread is toasted. Now we gotta unveil those beauties. Woo! There we go. Now we're gonna look for the grain. So you see the grain of the meat. It's going like this. Because if you cut along the grain, you'll get long, chewy bits of meat. And if you cut against the grain, you will shorten that. I don't know how to say that. Okay, so there we go. The moment of truth.
Made some rules for myself to achieve the perfect steak.
I made all my shitty rules. God. Ah. It's really good. That's really good. Really buttery, really soft texture. I wanted it medium rare. Now it's closer to well done, but I'm not that angry. I'm gonna eat a little bit.
Maar het is lunchsessie, toch? Dus met z'n allen was het idee.
Hmm?
Dat is met z'n allen was het idee.
I have to try it first.
Ja.
Fight on the camera.
Städler Made team, and now you're gonna eat it yourself.
This is a vlog, it's reality. I won't eat everything, but I had to try it. A nice bit of toast. Look at that. I ain't mad. I'm gonna stop eating now. And we're gonna serve it out to everybody that works at Städler Made. Let's go. A big, fat, buttery steak with a beautiful wood-fired chimichurri sauce. Come on guys, let's get into it. Guys, Cedric is our talented cameraman and he's also vegetarian, but he cannot resist a little bit salad. Makes you more comfortable. There you go. It's a Swiss Army knife. Hi guys. It was really, really delicious. Unfortunately, I cooked the steak a little bit too long, but hey, that's just a reason that we should do it again anytime soon. Well, the taste was so good. That chimichurri sauce really nailed it. You gotta try that one. And if you have any ideas of recipes that you want me to cook on the fire pit or in the outdoor oven, let me know and I'm gonna give it a try next time. Ciao!
Ietsje lager, iets meer naar links. Zo is dat, ja.